Assalamu alaikum guys. Today we will study general science regarding test preparation. First of all, we will study solar system. Solar system is a small part of our galaxy Milky Way. Solar system is an astronomical body consisting of sun, 8 planets, interplanetary dust, interplanetary plasma, asteroid, meteoroids and comets. Solar system diagram. This is the overall diagram of the solar system. First one is the Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Feature of Sun is 4.6 billion year old. It has two temperature zone, chromosphere, inner zone, 15 million degree centigrade temperature. Photosphere is the outer zone which have the temperature of 6000 degrees centigrade. The mass of Sun is 2 multiplied by 10 raised to power 30 tons. Its density is 1.4 gram per cc. Diameter of Sun is about 14 million kilometer, while average distance from the Sun is 149 million kilometer. The Sun contains 71% of the hydrogen and 25.5% of the helium and 2.5% of the other elements. It has special kind of gravitational pull which holds the other planets. 98.99% of the solar system is concentrated in Sun. The main reaction on the surface of Sun is nuclear fusion reaction in which hydrogen is fused into helium. Death of Sun. In the last 10% of its life, the Sun will go through a series of death stages. In the first stage, it will run short of its hydrogen and will start burning its helium. Then the Sun will convert into red giant. It will start roasting, engulfing the planet as far out as Mars. In the next stage, it will become so swollen and distended that it will lose more than half of its mass and will start into white dwarf. This stage will continue for a period of about 50,000 years. In the last stage, it will release energy from its outer layer and cool. After that, it will black dwarf. All planets that will be present in the orbit of the Sun will freeze. Venus. Venus is called the evening star and morning star. It is the brightest object in the sky after the sun and moon. Venus has derived its name after the Roman goddess of beauty. Its diameter is 12,107 km, therefore it is called Earth twin size planet. Venus has no moon. It is the hottest planet with average temperature of 475 degrees centigrade. Venus is wrapped with cloud of carbon dioxide. Venus is 0.787 astronomical unit away from the sun. Mars. Its diameter is 6,878 km. It has two moons. Their name are Phobos and Deimos. It is 1.524 astronomical unit away from the sun. It is a desert containing red and therefore it is called red planet. It is a desert containing red and therefore it is called red planet. Mars has the largest mountain and the deepest valleys. Its revolution period is 687 days. Average temperature of Mars is minus 20 degrees centigrade. Jupiter is its diameter is 1,43,500 km. It has 79 moons. Jupiter is the largest planet of our solar system. It is also called against planet due to its size. Jupiter has cloudy atmosphere of hydrogen and helium. Its revolution period is 11.86 years. Its average temperature is minus 123 degrees centigrade. The Milky Way is a part of a upper cluster of about 3 dozen galaxies called the Local Group. The largest member of the Local Group is the Andromeda Galaxy, and the Milky Way is the second largest galaxy in this group. Most of the other galaxies in our Local Group are small. The most distant objects in the Local Group are M31, the Andromeda Galaxy, and M33, all of them being more than 2 million light year away from our galaxy. Hubble classification of galaxies. Edwin Hubble, who was the first to study galaxies in detail, classified them into three shapes: elliptical, spiral, Baird spiral. A few galaxies are irregular and do not fit into this scheme. Hubble thought that galaxies might evolve from elliptical into spiral from as they age, but astronomers today don't believe this to be true. Galaxies range in size from small dwarf elliptical ones with perhaps 1 million stars to spiral galaxies containing 300 billion stars to giant elliptical galaxies that may be home to more than 10 trillion stars. The diameter of galaxies range from 3,000 light-year in dwarf elliptical galaxies to over 15,000 light-year in giant elliptical galaxies. Cosmology, it is a branch of astronomy that deals with the origin and evolution of the universe. Edwin Hubble discovered it in 1929. A universe is expanding. Many astronomers believe that it had originated out of Big Bang and various galaxies are flying apart ever since. Thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.